Hello. Welcome to Homework Help 5.9. I'm going to do two different videos. One, let me look at it. One, which is this one right now. I'm going to go over 1 through 8 and 15 through 20, okay? I'll do another video that has elimination examples on it. All right, so here we go. We have not gone over this year. It might be in your brain somewhere, but if you don't remember, that's okay. It's just trying to get us ready for the next chapter. So match the name of the figure with its geometric definition, right? So that you have 8 different geometric figures, 8 different shapes. So you have a quadrilateral with only one pair of parallel sides. So which of these, quadrilateral means it has 4 sides, right? So 4 sides and only one pair of parallel sides. So it's not a triangle. Rectangle is both sides are parallel. It's not a triangle. Is it a rhombus? Not a triangle. Square, both sides are parallel. It's not a triangle. And, ooh, is it a trapezoid? So what do you think? Think about it. Is it a rhombus or is it a trapezoid? It is, in fact, a trapezoid. A trapezoid only has one pair of parallel sides. Number 2, all of the sides of this triangle are the same length. Okay, so it's a triangle. So which triangle? So I have an isosceles, an equilateral, and a scalene, and a right. So which one of these, their sides are all the same length? Look at the names. Which one would it make sense? Equilateral, it's B. All the sides are going to be the same length. Equilateral, all the sides are equal. All the sides of this quadrilateral are the same length. So once again, I have a quadrilateral, that's 4 sides. All sides have to be the same length. You have to be careful here because a square and a rhombus, that's true for both of them. Okay? So really this one could be F or G. So let's leave it F or G for now and I'll come back and fix it later. This triangle has exactly one right angle. All right, so you're dealing with your triangle. Which triangle has exactly one right angle? Your right triangle. So D. Oh. That's D. This quadrilateral has 4 right angles. Okay, once again, shape with 4 sides. So I have rectangle, rhombus, square, trapezoid. We already used trapezoid and it does not have 4 right angles. So trapezoid's out. Rhombus does not have right angles. So then it's either going to be a rectangle or it's going to be a square. We don't really know which one yet. You kind of have to be detective as you go through this. So this one could be either there we go, E or G. Okay. Once we get further down, we'll be able to determine which one it is. Number 6, none of the sides of this triangle have the same length. There are the same length, sorry. Well, we've already used equilateral and right, so it's either isosceles or scalene. Do you remember? Which triangle has sides that are all different lengths? It's going to be your scalene. So, see? This quadrilateral is both number 3 and number 5, okay? So number 3 was sides are all the same, and number 5, 4 right angles. So it has to cover both of those. Aha! So a square has sides that are all equal and they all have right angles. So this one is actually our square, yay! So that is G. So then we can go back up here. So that means this one is the rectangle. Oops, let me delete it. There we go. That's the rectangle, and that means that this one must be the rhombus. Okay, so there we go. Process of elimination. And the last one, only two sides of this triangle are the same length. That's going to be your isosceles triangle. Isosceles has, I think I remember this because it's like, okay, it has two S's, it has two E's, all right, it has two sides of the same length. Two S's means two sides of the same length. So that is isosceles. Alrighty, that's 1 through 8. Let's go down. 15 through 20. You are for each graph, determine if the relationship represents a function. If it is a function, write yes. If it is not a function, explain why it is not. Okay, so they give you graphs. Woohoo, graphs. That means you can do the vertical line test. Let me grab a vertical line. Sorry. I haven't even had that much coffee this morning. It's just having a good day. All right, there we go. You guys just made me happy today. So, vertical line test. If my vertical line hits more than 1 point on my graph, it is not a function. We're good. We're only hitting 1 point. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Only hitting 1 point. So that means every x value only has one y value. Whee! So this one is a function. So number 15, yes. 16, wait, I don't want to do all of these. Let me think. Yeah, I'll go on to 16. 16, here we go. Ah! They put an extra little dot right there. You see that dot? That means when x is, what is that, -3? When x is -3, y is, stop. Y is both -1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4. So this is not a function because of this extra little dot. Not a function. All right, I think I'm going to make you do the rest of them. Yeah, I am. Okay. Good luck. I'll make another video where I do the elimination problems on the whiteboard.